How to change audio and subtitle language in Crunchyroll. I am going to show you how you can change audio and subtitle language in Crunchyroll. You can select the dubbed of your preference inside the video player. Load the video on Crunchyroll. Click on the gear icon located in the video player. Select the audio option from the menu. Choose the dubbed language of your preference. This feature is available on the website and the Crunchyroll app on different devices. You can set the desired subtitle language by default. Go to Account, select Preferences. Under Subtitle or CC language, select the language you would like to have as a default.